The other reason I don't like flying is once you board your flight and you're in your seat and we're about to take off, the captain always comes on the intercom and gives that speech that nobody can fucking understand. He's always like,
ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for take it off. I'm just we'll be cruising about 37,000. 10,000 feet. We'll start serving drinks. Yes.
why are you whispering?
Anyway, go ahead and put up your 2 tables and seat backs, and put up your window shades, fasten your seatbelt. My wife just left me, so I'm just kind of in a bad mood. But hey, what happens in the sky stays in the sky.